Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, AUDUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have rejected the EMA last week, and then we had a blue candle closing just above the EMA in weekly, and the EMA is sloping towards the upside, as you can see. Okay, so this low was not able to break this low. Okay, you can see here. And we had a rejection candle, and now we have a blue engulfing candle in weekly. Okay, so the trend is still up. Coming back to daily chart. Now in daily chart, we are below the EMA. In 4 hour, we are going through in between the EMA. Okay, so this is no time for trading. All right, because the EMA line is passing in between the candles. So I am not going to take any trade in AUDUSD. I'll skip this. Daily chart is showing that we are in the downtrend. So this is your new low, pullback, new low, pullback, new low. Okay, so don't trade AUDUSD and nzdusd for now because it's in the sideways and the trend is down. Okay, so if by any chance you are willing to take the trade, look for shorts. Okay, but don't trade dollar pairs. That's my recommendation because dollar is not stable anymore. And I trade non USD pairs, because if you go into my Telegram group, go and join my free Telegram group, and you will see there I send the screenshots, and I mostly trade non USD pairs. You can go and check that in my free Telegram below the video. Okay, so AUDUSD and nzdusd I will avoid. It's right now it's consolidating, as you can see, but the trend is down, and look for shorts if you want to. Otherwise, skip dollar pairs and trade all these pairs. Okay, so go ahead and join my free Telegram. It's mandatory, and check out the brokers. Subscribe, like. We discuss everything in the beginnings, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.